Hey guys, so okay. Hey guys, well, never mind the hair. So I just woke up. Uh, let's do. Let's see how much we weigh today. Okay. Okay. Just to make sure. I don't know if you've seen the number. It's 86.1. So just to make sure, I'm gonna try again. Right. All right. Well. So 86.1. I'll see just in case. Well, so as I said, yesterday's thing was nothing to worry about. What we were doing works, and today it's back to normal. So these fluctuations happen. Of course, I most likely lost a little bit more water weight. The main reason for that, I told you already that I'm gonna be doing carb cycling, right? So yesterday, after my breakfast, which was oatmeals, I mean the protein thing, basically the mix. So after my breakfast, I haven't had any carbs at all during the day. Okay, I had my omelette, I had my zucchini. Then later I had smoked salmon, and at night I had I had another type of pudding, basically some protein powder and with nut butter and a little bit of xanthan gum. Then I mixed it up and I made myself a protein pudding, basically. Okay. And for now, I'm gonna be doing. I honestly don't know how do I keep forgetting this horizontal thing. So, so anyways, it's like the morning, right? So anyways, for breakfast, I'm gonna be having the same. Like today, I'm not gonna be having any carbs at all. It's push day. I don't need to have too many carbs. Push days are a lot easier. So we are gonna go like full fat, veggies, and protein today only. Okay. For breakfast, I'm just gonna be having eggs, whole eggs, about like maybe 6 of them. Okay. What you can do also, you can instead, for example, like if you're not into eggs, you can do also protein pudding or nut butter, and not necessarily nut butter. You can make yourself an omelet with like olive oil. Some people like it with coconut oil. You can have like avocado, any kind of fat as long as you like them, basically. Okay. So instead of the omelet, I changed my mind. So I'm sorry, I lied. I'm gonna be having 4 whole eggs, 2 egg whites, and then I put some olive oil. Okay, 10 grams of olive oil. So this is gonna be my breakfast. The reason why I changed it is because there might be some people who are worried about like cholesterol and that kind of stuff. Okay, so we switched it into a more cholesterol-friendly alternative. And this is also a good chance for people to have some of the stuff that they might be craving for, like some people really love cheese and all that. So you can have cheese, you can have, I have this avocado oil mayonnaise. So it is also amazing when you use it with eggs, okay? So you can do it with eggs. It also tastes really delicious, and normally we wouldn't be having that because we are already like low on calories, right? But since it is a basically high fat day, very high fat day, right? No carb day. So we can use these alternatives that we are not going to be having on the rest of the week. Okay. The eggs are ready, and this is what it looks like. There is nothing special in there. I didn't have cheese, so if I had it, I would actually have some cheese as well. Whole eggs, salt, pepper, olive oil. It tastes amazing. So
Hey guys, so we're at the gym now. This is push day. So because I told you yesterday that I'm gonna be doing it more balanced so that everyone who watches these series can actually go and implement those right away. So I'm gonna implement chest training today as well. There's gonna be only one exercise, so we are gonna do 5 exercises today. 2 of them gonna be shoulders. So 2 of them gonna be shoulder exercises, 2 triceps. We're gonna have 2 triceps, so good for those people who wanna, get bigger arms. And then we're gonna have a chest exercise, okay? And yeah, the gym is amazing. There is literally like almost no one, as you can see. So we are gonna start with seated barbell shoulder press, okay? I'm gonna be doing it on the Smith machine because the other ones are just too annoying. I don't wanna bother myself with those, so we're gonna do it on the Smith machine, okay? It works amazing, so you don't have to worry about it, right? I had a shoulder injury in the past on this muscle, okay, my front lats on this side. Because of that very reason, I approach it with a lot of caution. So even though I'm not going like crazy heavy with these, I don't know, like I think my shoulders are not just that strong compared to like other people maybe, or compared to my other lifts. Anyways, I don't know, maybe they are strong, I'm not sure. So what was I gonna say? So with my warm-ups, I'm gonna be taking it by like 10 pounds, 5 pounds each increased up to my working set, okay? And that's the main reason why I'm doing it, because I don't want to injure my shoulders. That's gonna hinder my progress, even though it's not a big deal. I mean, like if it's like a small injury, but still, better be cautious than sorry, or I don't know how the saying goes. Oh, better safe than sorry. So for this one, we are doing 3 sets of 10, okay? We are done with shoulder presses, well, on this Smith machine at least. Now we are gonna do machine shoulder press. We did 3 sets of 10 on this one, so it was more like a heavier set, okay? And this type of sets will not be giving us like the pumps that we are looking at for today. So I'm moving on to shoulder press machine, and I'm gonna be doing 3 times 20, like 3 sets of 20. And that's mainly for the pump reason, okay? Because we only have 2 shoulder exercises today. So one is gonna be more like strength, and one is gonna be more on the pump side, okay? So I'm done with shoulder exercises, and now we are gonna move on to triceps. So for triceps, we're gonna start with cable push downs, okay? And for this push down, I'm not gonna be doing the regular push downs, okay? So I'm not trying to do like anything fancy or anything, all right? I'm gonna be doing reverse triceps push down. The main reason for that, I actually feel that it works my muscle better. So if you haven't tried it, why not just give it a try and see which one works better for you, whether regular push downs or like reverse push downs. You can give it a try. And for triceps, we are also going to be doing, for this exercise, we are going to be doing 3 sets of 20, and then we are going to move to rope push downs. And for that one, we are actually going to go a little bit lower in terms of reps, so we are going to go heavier. We are going to aim for 3 sets of maybe 15, okay? 12 to 15, somewhere around that range. We are done with triceps. With triceps exercises, even though I'm like taking it easy, you can still punish those muscles a little bit more compared to your other muscles, because they're very isolated, small groups of muscles, okay? So you don't have to worry about them. And now we are going to be doing chest exercises. I'll try to see if the incline bench is available. If not, I might try Smith machine. If not, then I'm going to be doing dumbbells. Well, the Smith machine is currently empty, but this one There's a towel on it. So I don't know if the guy's here or not. I'm gonna see. And then I'm gonna have to get water because I already finished this. So I'll see you guys on my chest exercise, okay? 哎，不好意思，这毛巾是你的吗？这边的毛巾不是吗？那你知道谁的吗？还是应该是忘记了吧 ？OK， 好，谢谢。Okay, so we are gonna be able to get the incline bench press. So if you guys been following my channel, I don't really train my chest, so I'm gonna be taking it easy with this one as well. I'm gonna start up with warm-up sets because we haven't actually warmed up our chest, okay? So we are gonna warm up and then we are gonna go and do like 3 sets of 15 with these, okay? Huh? 我在拍。我们就白读书，你知道吗？Okay, so I was talking with the manager of the gym here. He's a good friend of mine, so we're just chatting. So you see how my chest comes like all the way to my shoulder almost. See, I have like massive chest, right? So one of the reasons is that, of course, there's genetics involved, like you cannot deny that. But the other reason is that I do full range of motion. So this is very important. If you watch how I train, I move the bar to my chest, okay? So I try to go as low as possible to engage like every single part. You see, like this is all muscle, guys. Look. This is all muscle. This is my pecs, okay? It's stretching all the way here. And the reason for that, I don't care what anyone says, it's because when I started training my chest, I've always done this continuously. And like anyone who trains the same way as I do, most likely have similar kind of chest development, okay? You see like all the way here. It's all muscle, okay? So this is one thing that you can keep in mind, and it's a very important thing for you guys who are, you know, trying to have better developed chest. And also we are done for the day. I don't know if I just said it, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna see you guys later at recap. Maybe I'm gonna show you some cooking video as well, or some stuff that I've been eating anyways. So I'll see you guys later. Take care. Now they're at that desired like brownish color. So this is pretty much what they're gonna look like. We add whatever vegetable you have. Well, they are better for leafy vegetables like broccoli. I'm gonna be using cabbage today, mountain of cabbage. Now we add a tad bit of water, then some salt, and that's it. You increase the temperature now, and during this time you can add water whenever you need it, okay? When we make this, we don't want to add like too much water at once because we don't want it to be soaky. So as I said, now we got 1 tilapia, and then we have our cabbage, so protein, a lot of cabbage. Hey guys, so this is day 4. It was our second push day of the week. So during this 6-week transformation, as you know, I train 6 days a week and I do push-pull legs, well, push legs pull. So I'm gonna have 2 different push, pull, and leg days, okay? This is why push day today was different than the one on Monday, okay? It is Thursday today, and our push day was different. This is like the second type of push day. Tomorrow is going to be a leg day. It's also going to be completely different from the previous leg day, and the day after, which is going to be the pull day, that's also going to be the different version, okay, of pull day. Calories stay the same, 2,600. Today is high fat, extremely low carb, like almost no carb basically. We're doing carb cycling, well, I'm doing carb cycling. You may or may not do the same, it doesn't matter, it's not a big difference. Once it's because there's still carbs stored in your body, all right? So what we are doing when we do this is that we are just using the stored up carbs, okay? Today I weighted 86.1 kilos. I'm gonna see like how much it is in pounds. I am down 1.7 kilos since the beginning, and this is day 4. If you are following along, or if you're doing this program while you're watching this, you need to make sure that, you know, by now, like on your day 4 morning, you should definitely be able to see some weight change
in terms of weight loss, okay? If you're a beginner, I would suggest that, you know, you can do your check like today. This is like day 4, so it should be okay, all right? You don't have to do it every single day, but you can just do it today. For example, like it's like the middle of the week, right? So you can see how it's going, okay? Especially since because you don't know what your maintenance calories are. So you can go ahead and do it today. If it is the same as you started, or like there's barely any difference, do not do anything, okay? Do not change anything. Let's still wait for a few other days, and then we will see how we are gonna adjust things, okay? So for example, like for me also, it's kind of 1.7 kilos. This is like 3.7 pounds almost, okay, in 4 days. So it's like 1 pound per day. So it's normally, when you think about it, it's crazy. But I'm not doing any adjustments yet, okay, because there is like water weight, because we switched like, you know, to fats and all that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of water weight involved in this. We are not changing anything. Also for my case, as you know, after my body transformation, this is the heaviest I have ever been. Also the most amount of muscle I've carried in ever, basically, okay? So because of that very reason, I actually don't know my exact maintenance calories either. And that's why I'm also guessing too, okay? So if you remember in the beginning, I was thinking about like 2,800 calories, but I switched to 2,600, and 2,600 working quite fine so far, okay? I feel great, I swear. Energy levels are fine, mood is fine, everything is okay. Of course, I'm craving for like stuff, but you know, we are on a diet, so we are gonna have to, you know, fight it, basically, fight those cravings. And if you don't know how to fight them, I literally made a video, go and watch that. I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, comment, okay? I love your comments. So comment as many times as you like, I don't mind, I always respond to those. Other than that, I mean, tomorrow is gonna be leg day. It is gonna be brutal because of the exercises that I'm gonna be doing, that I'm thinking about. It's gonna be a little bit brutal, even though I'm not pushing myself. It's still gonna be brutal. And yeah, well, that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow on day 5, leg day.